Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a makeup routine I am so obsessed with right now. I'm applying moisturizer. I am a little annoyed. I have a couple breakouts right here on my cheek. This is where my problem area is, like right here. Ugh, it hurts, it's annoying. I don't know if it is these two new products that I added to my collection. Rhode Skincare, Hailey Bieber's. I love the way it makes my skin look and feel, and I love it with my foundation. But I just don't know if it's that, and I'm just like, I hate breakouts. They hurt. I have very sensitive skin. Oh my gosh, so cold. This is good for puffiness. I love these little cryo balls for any puffiness. And also because it's hot out, this is like my summer, super easy summer makeup routine right now. And this just helps cool me down. Also, when I do have breakouts, this is amazing for taking out any redness and inflammation. My esthetician shared that with me. So don't pick, I did pick it yesterday because it's like ready to go. I just have a problem picking my pimples. And then I'm going to apply the Peptide Glazing Serum. You just need 2 pumps. So you go with the serum. I know one has shea butter, and I know a follower DM'd me because she asked me about another moisturizer I was using, and she said, oh my gosh, that made me break out. It has shea butter in it. So I don't know if it's that, to be honest, but it just really nicely preps my skin. And I know not everything's gonna be for us, which is annoying. And this is her Barrier Restore Cream. But if you get a chance, like, I would say check it out. Oh, also here, I got a tattoo. It looks super funky right now. I went to Ephemeral. I don't know if you guys have seen Ephemeral, heard about them on TikTok, but they have tattoos that fade, which is kind of cool if you want to explore tattoos and get one. And they reached out. So I got, if you guys are new here, I got a Corvette. I love it. And I got a 1990 Corvette because it was the year I was born. And I did something bold because I'm like, why not? It'll fade. So we'll see how it fades. Okay, but look at that finish of my skin, you guys. It just looks so good, minus these little breakouts right now. But I've been loving it. So now I'm gonna go in with my sunscreen. Sunscreen is so key. This is Tizo3. I also saw this on TikTok, but I got it from my other medical skincare. She's not esthetician, but she does Botox. She does lip fillers. I actually got lip fillers. I didn't realize how small my lips were. I'll insert a photo. It was just like a fun thing, but I kind of like it. I think it looks super natural. A lot of my followers who are like anti said it looks really natural, so I love it. And then she had this at her offices, so I decided to pick it up. It's the Tizo3 Titanium Zinc Oxide. My chin and into my neck. You can also put it in your ears too. I'm gonna go in with Rose Ink. This is the Luminous Skin Enhanced Tinted Serum, which is awesome, which I didn't realize. For babes that have oily skin, I have oily skin, and this combination, which is why I wanted to create this video, I'm loving it. Like, I feel like with other moisturizers and sunscreens I was using, this kind of separated funny, but with this combo, it looks so freaking good. It's like a serum, but you see it's like separated, and then you mix it together and it creates the tint. And I've just been obsessed with it. And I saw a post, which I'll link below. I think I saved it. Somebody on Instagram broke down like tinted serums, tinted moisturizers based on your skin type. And this Rose Ink one was great for oily skin, so it's kind of cool. I picked up this Makeup Forever palette. It has foundation, concealer, and blush. It's truly amazing. They sold out of this one, but I saw they coming out with a new one that has also a highlight, which is kind of cool. But I'm gonna use this color here as a concealer, and I'm really impressed with Makeup Forever. I've never used Makeup Forever. This palette is kind of pricey, but if you are a first time shopper online, you get 15% off. So I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna do it. You just have to like log in and share your email. But I thought it was like really pretty. Glossier Solar Paint. I've been a big fan of this lately. It's the color Heat. I just find blends in so nicely. You can see, like, I think the ice roller and then foundation goes very nicely. But I've just been loving this combo because it's very like skin-like and natural. And I just wanted to share some products with you guys that work for babes that have oily skin, sensitive skin. Definitely this makeup routine has been great. Like I said, I don't know if it's the Rhode that's making me break out. But I just love how it like is such a great prep underneath my skin. All blended in. I'm gonna go in with this palette again. I'm gonna just go in with this pink color for my cheeks. You hear my toilet running? Get a funny noise. And I love these cheek blushes because they look so natural and they don't streak. They blend in so beautifully. I'd say this palette's worth it, and if you're on a budget, I think this is gonna last you. Like, definitely a good investment. My brows, I've been into using Brow Flick. I didn't love it when it came out, but I've been digging it right now a lot more lately. And just curl my lashes with it. Eyelash curlers from Tweezerman. They actually sent me some new products, which is kind of cool. Go in with Boy Brow in brown as well, and just fill in and set my brows a little bit more. Boy Brow is my favorite bronzer. Lawless. It's the color Summer Skin. Well, it's Summer Skin Velvet Matte Bronzer in the color Blazed. If you are Latina, you have a similar skin complexion to mine. Just feel like it gives like the most beautiful glow. And I'm wearing a fun little slip dress. I'm just gonna go down on my chest because I normally don't wear low cut tops and it is summer. And I didn't realize how light my chest was. To set with Kosa's Cushiony Cloud Set Powder. Well, Cloud Set Powder in the color Cushiony. It's actually like the most perfect shade of the bronzer here on my lid. I love this shade on my lid too. And then I'm going to add a little powder blush on my cheek. I tried that infamous Dior Backstage blush, but I think it only works well on fair babes. Fair skin babes out there. And then now mascara, my favorite mascara, Bite Beauty. I actually first discovered this at Marshall's and let me use the mirror. And it was like $7. And then I've repurchased, it was on sale at Sephora, so I got 2 bottles. Did you call this a bottle? Love that this mascara lifts, lengthens, and kind of thickens and a little bit curls. Like, it's the all-in-one mascara. So I love drugstore mascaras. And this is like the first kind of non-drugstore Sephora mascara that I feel like works really nicely. A little bit of Rose Inks blush, just add a little bit more color to my cheeks. This is another cream blush that I'm very impressed with, that I feel like has a little bit more pigment and lasts a little bit longer than the Makeup Forever, but the Makeup Forever is very buildable. It's just like a little bit thicker, creamier. So here is my makeup. Now I'm gonna finish with lip. I want to share a brand that I feel like is super underrated. Rinna Beauty, which is created by Lisa Rinna. She's on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and she's also an actress. But her lip kits are a fire. They kindly sent that over and I'm loving it. So this is the lip pencil strip. Then I'm gonna go in with her lip peptide treatment and I'm using the flavor watermelon. So that is it, my super easy summer makeup routine. It's very light and fresh and very skin-like. So that is it, guys. Hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.